Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome to my French lesson where learning French is easy and fun. Today we are going to do numbers in a French from 1 to 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, Miami. You have learned how to count from A to Wa in a French. You are doing amazing. But counting doesn't stop here. In the next video, we will go even further and learn how to count to 100 in French. Imagine being able to say big number like 5 with confidence. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss it, and you found this lesson helpful, give it thumbs up and share it with your friend. Merci beaucoup for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. A bientôt.